This is as the Jeep looks now. We're going to change it up though. Couldn't you guess how? Got some new wheels and tires. So we're going to get started on that now. Show you how it changes things up. Alright, so we're going to get a reference now as to where the stock JL Wrangler stands height-wise. I'm going to be measuring right up to here, the lower portion of the fender, and that looks like it's just it's 38 and we'll go with 5/8 there. 38 and 5/8, the stock ride height. So what wheels and tires are we going with, you ask? There's the back of it. And here it is. It's a 17-inch Method MR701, wrapped with a BFG KM3 mud terrain, 35-inch tires. We're going with 35s right now because we're not ready to put a lift on. Probably do a lift down the road at some point, and then maybe step up to 37s. But for right now, we're gonna throw 35s on, see how it works. I need to buy a Taser JL. I don't have that yet, so our speedo and perhaps some of the shifting points will be off, but that will be coming shortly as well. So for right now, we'll put these tires on, hopefully be happy with them, and down the road put that lift on. YouTube land, I present to you 2019 JL Wrangler on 35s. Again, those are Method MR701s with BFG KM3s, 35 inches by 12.5. That's what she looks like. We just took it for a drive to settle the suspension. We don't have any issues with TPMS. I bought the $50 set of TPMS, 5 TPMS sensors off of eBay, and they seem to work. For right now, you'll notice the lug nuts are silver. Discount Tire, where I got the wheels and tires from, supposedly ordered black lug nuts for me, but they failed. They never came in, and so I happen to have this set from an older car just sitting in my closet, and that's what we're using. I didn't think they would look decent, but they don't look too bad. I do think black would look a little bit better, but the silver doesn't look that bad. Here it is, the spare tire. Just having an issue with this lower bolt where we kind of nicked up the wheel a little bit with the wrench. I need a lower profile lug nut for that lower stud, so we'll be getting that shortly. But overall, really pleased with them. I think it looks better in person than it does in pictures. So we're going to take a measurement now. I believe we're at 38 and 5/8 before we started. And it looks like we're right at 40 inches now. So about 1.5 inches of additional height on the Jeep. The 35-inch tires are measuring just about 34 inches from the ground to the top of the tread. So all's well for right now. TPMS is working, like I said. Hopefully that will continue to work. I will be getting the Taser JL to update the tire size. We are not off by that much, considering we've gone to just 35s. We just took it for a quick drive at 45 miles an hour, or at 45 miles an hour. The true speed was about 47, 48. So it's not hugely off. In our neighborhood, we were driving about 22, and it's off by 1 or 2 miles an hour, maybe not even. So it's not big, but that'll all be rectified by the Taser. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe and like, and we'll have more stuff coming.